video, we'll be looking at a problem based on permutation and combination. Each ice cream consists of one main flavor, 2 toppings and 1 syrup. So let's look at the options. In main flavor, we have strawberry, vanilla and chocolate. In toppings, we have 4 different options: chocolate sprinkles, Oreo, chocolate chip and hazelnuts. And in syrup, we have rainbow, blueberry and caramel, 3 options. So the question wants us to find out how many different ice creams are actually possible. Okay, so in main flavor, we have 3 options. How many should we choose from these 3? We have to choose only one main flavor. So we have to choose one. In toppings, we have 4 options and we can choose 2 toppings. In syrup, we have 3 options and we can choose any one syrup. Okay, so how many different combinations of ice cream are actually possible? This is main flavor. This is toppings. This is syrup. So in main flavor, we have 3 different options. We can either choose strawberry, vanilla or chocolate. Let's look at syrup. In syrup also, we have 3 different options. Now what about toppings? In toppings, we can choose chocolate sprinkles and Oreo. Chocolate sprinkles is CS and Oreo. Or we can choose Oreo and chocolate chip. CC is chocolate chip. Or chocolate chip and hazelnut. Or chocolate sprinkles and hazelnut. Like that, we have so many different combinations. So we have to find out how many different combinations are actually allowed, how many different options we have. Because this is one option and this is another option. Likewise, chocolate sprinkles and hazelnut, that's another option. So we have to find out how many options there are in this itself. So what are we choosing? We are choosing 2 out of 4. Now let's just say we have to choose only 1 out of 4. Then I can easily write 4 over here because that's the case over here. We have to only choose 1 out of 3. So we have written 3. We have 3 different options. But in this case, it's different because we can choose 2 combinations out of 4. So how do we find out the number of options over here? We use combination formula 4C2 and this gives us, the formula is here n is equal to 4 and r is 2. So we have 2 and 4 minus 2. This gives us two exclamation mark is actually 2. So we have 6. So this is equal to 6. So we have 6 options over here. Now what do we have to do? Do we have to add this or multiply this? What is this actually? This is actually the ingredients of the ice cream, and we have to have 1 main flavor and 2 toppings and 1 syrup, right? It has to comprise of 1 main flavor and toppings and 1 syrup. So it's not or. The reason why I'm writing this down is because we know that in probability, if we have and, it is multiplication, and if it's or, it is addition. So if it's it's not one main flavor or two toppings or one syrup. It's and. So it has to comprise of this and this and this. So what do? We have to multiply. We multiply 3 into 6 into 3, we get 36. So the number of different ice creams that are possible is 36 different.